This is update on my V-strom. V-strom have now around 23,500 kilometers. 3 years old. And I make some upgrades on my bike. With these tires, Pirelli STR, make around 11,000 Ks. The rear one. The front. This is very good for 11,000 Ks on this. I put front sliders. I bought it on AliExpress for around 20 euros. These tires I bought in Germany. The next upgrade what I make is handlebar risers. I found them on AliExpress for around 20 euros. Time for installation around 1 euros for non-professional. 22 millimeters, big difference in the ride. I'm 190. Now I can stand on a bike normally. And for 22 you don't need to remove cables. I really bit just to change a position and that's it. This is good. Next is the mesh. Mesh also AliExpress, 17 euros for this bike. Great stuff. The seat is too hard and now it's big difference. Next thing what I put is motor guard. This is Motea. Motea upper crash bar, and this upper crash bar fit with factory lower crash bar. This is Motea, but they sign it motor guard, whatever. This is not important. The important is I paid 165 euros in Germany and I use 35% coupon discount. This is very good. 7.5 kilos, around, I don't know, 2 hours installation for non-professionals. So now the bike, okay, I have for a year and a half I use it for around to 23,500 Ks. I have 3 accidents, 1 bigger one, 2 smaller one. The bigger one is like this, like 15 meters of sliding on asphalt. Then I break some plastic, but I fix everything. The smaller one I just side it on and that's pretty much it. I like this bike. It's a little bit heavy to move it into place, but it is what it is. It's more stable on a higher speed. I would like to have 20 or 30 kilos less. But for this I have V-strom 800, and if you add all these things, crash bars, lights and other stuff is gonna be the same weight and 27 horsepower less. And without dominator, just magic not happens.